Hi, boys and girls. This week in math, we are going to be working on reading and writing multi-digit whole numbers using base 10 numerals, number names, and expanded form. We're going to be comparing two multi-digit numbers based on meanings of the digits in each place using greater than, equal to, and less than. Okay, let's dig right in. Some vocabulary words to remember is digit. Digit is just another word for number. If I look at this number 153, it has 1, 2, 3 digits. So when we say just numbers like this, those are just digits. 10 digits are what we use to make up values. So how many digits does 1,264 have, you ask? Thank you. It is 4. It has 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much a digit is worth is value. So if I take a look back over here and I look at this 2 is not worth 2 because it's in the hundreds place. Since it's in the hundreds place, it has a value of 200. Some other vocabulary terms to remember is expanded form or expanded notation. It's a way that we write a number showing the value of individual digits. So if I take a number and I break it apart, like if it was a rubber band and I break those values apart, if my number was 384, I would get 300 plus 80 plus 4. If I just wanted it in a standard form, it's just like we would normally write a number, 384. And lastly, written form is when we spell it out. So we don't use any numbers to write the number, we actually spell out the numbers. This week we're going to be working on problems like this. Write the expanded form of 413,782. Right there. So if I did that, I would break it apart. 400,000 right there. 413,000 right there. 782. Now if I try to write this number 5,000 plus 30 plus 6 in standard form, I would get 5,000. I'm going to put a comma there because it goes after the thousands. 5,000. I have 0 hundreds. We have to put a 0 there. That is an important placeholder. And we have 30 and we have 6. Write the written form. That's when we spell it out of 84,307. Right down here we have it, 84,307. It's spelled out. And lastly, when we look at this, which number is greater, 3,872 or 3,782? We're going to look at the biggest place value first. They both have a 3. They both have 3,000. So then we go over to the hundreds. I have an 8 here and a 7 here. I know that 8 is greater than 7, so this is my larger number. This is my larger number. So we're going to be working on problems like this week. After watching this video, please check for your understanding and follow your pathways. If you know, do you understand the content? Yes. What do I do now? Well, you go down here and you can work on something. These are some examples of what you're going to be needing to do. If you need some extra help, this is where you go. Follow these pathways. Make sure you come to class, and I will see you then. Bye.